So it deals with the consumer complaints where the complaint is worth which is less than 1 crore. In every district there is something called district forum to safeguard the rights of the consumer. He should be a judge of a district court or equivalent designation, which is equivalent to the district court judge. Supreme Court is the appellate authority, so they can go with the Supreme Court to sort out their problems. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Mr. Hemant Kumar from the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First State College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. In today's session, we are going with a subject called Business Regulatory Framework, that is for 4th semester BCom students. We are in session 3 of Unit 3. It is about the competition and consumer laws. This is agenda of today's session. We are going with 2 topics in today's session. The rights of the consumer under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Number 2, the consumer redressal agencies. These are the 2 topics that we need to cover in today's session. The rights of consumer under a Consumer Protection Act. Okay, so what happens? This Consumer Protection Act had been established to safeguard the rights of the consumers. Okay, so the consumer have their own rights. So which are the rights of the consumer? Right to safety. Okay, so the consumer have a complete right to get the safer or the safest product. Okay, so means safest and healthy product for their consumption. Okay, it is a right of consumer. Right to information. Right to information means whatever the ingredients that is being used by the manufacturer inside the product, they must be very transparent and mention all the ingredients that is being used by the manufacturer with the expiry date of product, with the maximum retail price. Okay, so they must give a complete information regarding the product, the uses of the product. Okay, so the benefits of the product. If there is any disadvantage of the product, they must mention in the product. Right to choose. Okay, so what happened? The entrepreneur, they are not supposed to force the people saying that you are supposed to purchase this, you have to take this. Okay, so they may compete against the competitors and attract the people, but they doesn't have any right to force the people to purchase a product, because as a consumer they have a complete right to choose the product, right product which they want to purchase. Okay, so they are not supposed to force any of the consumer. Right to be heard. Okay, so right to be heard, it is a legal right of the individual consumer, okay, to get heard about the particular product, that is regarding the transparent information regarding the product. Right against exploitation. Okay, so if any of the consumers cheated either by the manufacturer or cheated by the seller, okay, so what happened? If they get exploited by either manufacturer or a seller, okay, they have a complete right, okay, to go to the consumer forum. That right we call it as a right against exploitation. Okay, right to education. Okay, so right to safety is completely different from right to education. Means it is the duty of a manufacturer to educate the customer. Okay, or the customer should get educated before purchasing a product. It may be the way how to use the product, it may be the defaults or defects of the product, or it may be a procedure how to manage the product. Okay, so they are supposed to be aware of these all things before purchasing a product. Right to education means there is something called RTI, right to information. If they ask under the RTI, they are supposed to give complete transparent information regarding the product. Consumer redressal agencies. If any of the customers or the consumers, they get cheated by the sellers or manufacturers, these are the forums which is going to safeguard the rights of the consumer. They may go for these forums. Okay, so they are going to solve the problem, and also they are going to penalize the people who had gone under malpractice and exploited the consumer. District forum, state commission and national commission. These are the 3 commissions. In each and every district there is a district forum, each and every state there is a state commission. National commission, it is in New Delhi. Consumer redressal agencies. So I had mentioned the difference between the consumer redressal agencies, okay, in final exam. Okay, so if you want to represent this, if they ask collectively regarding the district, state and national commission, okay, you are supposed to write in the same way, means the difference between the 3 commissions. Okay, so if they ask individually regarding either regarding the district commission or regarding the state or the national commission, you are supposed to go with individual things. You are supposed to elaborate the thing and you are supposed to explain it. Okay, so in notes I had given key points and also I had explained the points as well. Please go with the notes. When it comes in terms of judicial, Okay, so it deals with the consumer complaints where the complaint is worth which is less than 1 crore. Okay, so if there is any complaint which is less than 1 crore, means if you are going to cheated, okay, so which is less than 1 crore rupees, you can go with the district forum. So if you get cheated by the seller which is more than 1 crore and less than 10 crore rupees, so you can go with the state commission. So if you get cheated by the seller, okay, so that is more than 10 crore rupees, you can go with the national forum in terms of money that I had given the difference. Appeals. Okay, so what happens? So there is a appeal. So what happens if a problem had not solved in district forum? Okay, so if the problem had not solved in a national forum, if a problem had not solved in state forum, so what happens? So here they are going to appeal for the next level. So for example, so in the normal case, what happens if they doesn't get justice in the district forum, they are going with the state to the national. Okay, so in the common way, appeals from the district forum to the state commission, from the state commission to the national commission, and also from the national commission to the Supreme Court. So just I give you example. Okay, if they doesn't get justice in the district forum, they are going to appeal for a state forum. Here in the state forum also they doesn't get the justice, they are going to appeal for the national commission. Here also in the national commission they doesn't get the justice, okay, they are going to appeal the case for the Supreme Court. It is ultimate court which have to give the decision in India. Levels. Okay, so in terms of in which level that the court it is been situated. So in terms of levels, in terms of a district forum, okay, so located at a district level in every district or city across a country. So as I said, in every district there is something called district forum to safeguard the rights of the consumer. Okay, so located in every state. Okay, it is located in every state including union territory. Even union territory also there is a forum. Located at the national level, New Delhi. So as I said, this national forum is located in New Delhi. That is national level. It is the only forum that is available in India. When it comes in terms of members of the forum, okay, so for a district commission, state commission, or the national commission. So here 1 plus 2 when it comes in terms of district forum, state commission 1 plus 2, in the national commission 1 plus 4. Okay, so when it comes in terms of district commission, okay, so there is a one president which is going to lead the commission. Okay, so he or she must be a judge in a district commission or district court. Okay, so and rest of 2 people, among which there must be 1 woman. Here when it comes in terms of a state commission, 1 president, that president he or she should be a judge in high court, and plus 2 people, among which 1 should be woman. Here also 1 plus 4, 1 should be president, he or she should be a judge in Supreme Court, and also 4 people, among which 1 should be woman. Okay, so this is a rule that is formulated by Consumer Protection Act. Okay, what is the function of this district forum? It is going to handle the district level cases or the local cases that is going to happen in the district. Okay, so in the same way, the state commission, it is going to handle the cases which is in state level. In the national commission, which is going to handle the bulk or the big cases that is in the national level, it is going to sort out the problem and give immediate relief for the problem. Time for disposal. Here it is a time or the tenure or a period of disposal of a case. So when it comes in terms of a district forum or the state commission or the national commission, so minimum of 3 months or 5 months maximum, okay, in terms of complicated case. Okay, so within this period of time they are supposed to sort out the problem. Here also within 3 months or maximum of 5 months they can take to sort out the problem. Within that period of time they are supposed to give back the judgment. So appellate authority. Okay, so to whom that they are going to appellate. Okay, so as I gave you the example in the previous slide itself. Okay, here in terms of a district commission, state commission is the appellate authority. If there is any defect or the default in the district commission, state commission is the appellate authority. When it comes in terms of a state commission, the national commission is the appellate authority. If they are not satisfied with the state commission, they can go with the national commission. And in the same way for the national commission, Supreme Court is the appellate authority. So they can go with the Supreme Court to sort out their problems. So claim amount is limited. Okay, so when it come in terms of the claim amount, okay, so as I gave you the example in the previous session, so under 1 crore rupees we can go with district forum, 1 crore to 10 crore rupees we can go with the state commission, and also 10 crore and above, okay, so we can go with the national commission. Hence this is a expected question for 15 marks for the final exam. Please get well prepared for this question, dear students. The next session we are going with unit 4, that is economic loss. Thank you.